Hey everyone, let's talk about a fast and powerful way to boost your credit score. Did you know you might have good credit history that isn't even on your report? Think about it. Any smaller loans or accounts you've paid off on time might not be showing up. Why? Because some smaller businesses don't bother reporting to the credit bureaus. But here is the secret. You have the right to have all your credit information on your record. If you can document those on-time payments, you can ask the credit bureaus to add them. It's a simple step that can give your score a nice little bump. Now, for a more advanced technique to really supercharge your credit profile in about 90 days, we're going to get 3 banks to report your credit as top tier. First, find 3 banks that offer passbook savings accounts. Go to each bank and apply for their smallest personal loan, maybe around $1,000. Here's the key. Tell the loan officer you don't actually need the cash. You are doing this specifically to build your credit. Ask them to deposit the loan amount directly into a new passbook account at their bank. They then hold onto the passbook as collateral. This makes it a 100% secured loan, so it should be a very straightforward approval. Try to apply for all 3 loans on the same day. That way, when you fill out the applications, you can honestly state that you have no other outstanding loans. Once you're approved, you'll have 3 new loans and 3 new savings accounts. Now the payment strategy begins. Wait about 3 weeks and make your first payment on each loan. A few weeks later, make the second payment. After that second payment, a portion of your savings account is freed up. You can withdraw that money. Use the money you just withdrew to make the third payment on all 3 loans a few weeks later. See the pattern? After each payment, you withdraw the newly available funds from your savings and use that cash to make the next payment. Continue this cycle until the loans are completely paid off. In about 90 days, you will have made several payments on all 3 loans, and every single one will have been early. Finally, contact each bank and ask them to report your perfect payment history to the credit bureaus. Now, your credit report will show 3 new accounts, all with an impeccable payment record. This fresh, positive history is incredibly powerful. It demonstrates responsibility and can often outweigh older, negative items on your report. It tells future lenders that you are a reliable borrower right now. This strategy can open doors to better credit cards and loans. You've built an excellent credit foundation. Use it wisely and protect it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.